Hi everyone, it's Chris here, and I wanted to show you a new way I have come up to store my yarn. We live in a RV full-time, so space is at a premium. If it looks weird why I'm sitting here with a bed at my shoulders, that's because I've lifted my bed and underneath there is storage. And so I came up with the idea because I didn't want it just in here all loosey-goosey. I wanted it to be organized so I can see what I had. I want to organize it by type, and then keep the same yarns together and things like that. So without further ado, let me show you what I have done. So I went to my local big box hardware store. Ours is called Menards. I bought this cement tube, and what I did was I cut it at 7 inches a piece. And so then I was able to put these in here and then slide my yarns in and keep them all organized. And it looks kind of like a mess, but I mean, it is organized. I know what yarns I have where, what type, by the weight and the thickness and things like that. So this is a great way to organize your yarn storage when you don't have a lot of space, but I had a lot of horizontal space that wasn't that tall. So if you find you have a space like that too, this is a great way to organize it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.